Oh, never. I don't even know how that happened. But yeah, like I was saying, your boy out here delivering pizza in a 40. It's good, y'all boys. It's your boy Rory reporting back from the 340, man. Your boy's out here. You won't even know what your boy out here doing, man. Your boy's out here delivering pizza in the 340. Y'all never seen this before, man. Tap in. Who you know out here delivering pizza in a 340? Only me. Nobody else out here doing this, man. We delivering pizza in a 340, chat. Who else you know out here doing this, chat? Hey, man. When I get back in the V, I got some words for y'all boys. Really appreciate y'all boys for what y'all did on the last video, man. I have no clue where their apartment is. Something about a main entrance, that's all I seen. But yeah, like I was saying, your boy out here delivering pizza in a 40. Who y'all know doing that? Bro, come on, bro. Anywho, man. I just want to say, really appreciate y'all boys for all the love we got on the last video. I want to say I really appreciate y'all boys for all the love on the last video, bro. That junk was, bro, we got 1,000, I think 1.2K views on that video, which is crazy to even think about, bro. 1.2K views, bro. What? You know what I'm saying? I really appreciate y'all boys for the love on that video. Hopefully y'all boys like this video. And bro, I know it's been two weeks since I uploaded, but I was trying to edit a video last night, bro. Banger, bro. Like literally banger, bro. I'm telling y'all, bro, that video, y'all would loved it, bro. And bro, literally, I'm editing the video and I go, bro, my computer just started tripping out, bro, and my SD card literally just lost all the files, bro. Like, you won't even believe it. I'm still pissed off, bro, because that video would have been so crazy. But don't even worry, the 40 is back and it's fast, bro. It's way faster than before. I can't even tell y'all. Stay tuned for the video either after this one or the one after that. It depends, because I got something I got to put on my car tomorrow, and I'm gonna drop a video for y'all. But right now, I'm gonna push out this POV for y'all boys, even though I want to do more vlogs. So yeah, this coming Saturday, I should be doing a vlog for y'all boys, hopefully. So yeah, hopefully y'all boys enjoying the video. Your boy is out. Your boy is out delivering pizza in a 500 horsepower BMW, which is crazy. I think I'm the first to do it. Quote me if I'm wrong, but I don't think there's nobody else out here doing this. Come on, man. What Soulja Boy be saying? I'm the first to do it, man. I'm the first rapper. I'm the first YouTuber to deliver pizza in a 500 horsepower BMW. First YouTuber to do it, man. And I'm getting these orders dropped off quick. Fastest delivery driver in my city, boy. I'm trolling. But yeah, hopefully y'all, oh my God. Hopefully y'all boys enjoy the video. Oh, Jesus Christ, we about to Mac the start of the video. What's going on?
Let me get some pizza.
Did she just say, let me get some pizza? Yo, bro, what is happening? Bro, anywho, man. First YouTuber you know to deliver pizza in a freaking BMW, bro. I don't know who y'all know doing this. Hopefully y'all boys enjoy this video. I'm about to go back. As y'all heard just now, I forgot a drink, and they probably about to get on me. Bro, chill. It's my second day at the job, bro. Y'all wildin', bro. I didn't know that lady had a drink, bro. Y'all crazy as hell, bro. Nobody tell me that lady had no drink, twin. I don't want it to be windy, man. Let's see if we can. Oh my God, that did not make it any better. at all. I somehow, some way, oh no, I gotta get through that, man. We ain't stopping for no. We gotta get back. We gotta get back, man. We gotta get back to this next order. But I somehow, some way, man, forgot to drink. So hopefully I don't get fired. I'm not trying to get fired for the YouTube, man. Unless y'all boys sub up, that's the only way I can accept it. If y'all give me to 1,000 subs by the night, then that's the only way I'll accept getting fired. But nah. This is good. The goal I got for this video is we get to 200 subs this video. If we can do that, then y'all are literally the best. Like, y'all are literally the best, bro. If we can get to 200 subs this video. If we can get to 200 this video, then that'll be gratefully appreciated, y'all boys. I'll be really happy with y'all boys. See what I'm saying? I'm out here trying to push this content out for y'all boys, even when I'm at work, man. Who you know doing this? Nobody. It's me. Bro, hurry up and drive your car, bro. So hopefully y'all boys enjoyed this POV. We just did our first delivery of the day. We're about to go, hopefully pick up the next one and drop it off. You see what I'm saying? Hopefully the quality look good. I ain't really messed with my camera. I just put my GoPro on and got to recording. So if anything, I'll fix it in the next couple of clips and it'll look way better. Next couple of clips, it'll look way better for y'all boys. But yeah, like I was saying, bro, the video I was about to drop was gonna be so fire. Y'all don't even understand, bro. I promise y'all, bro. I literally had the video planned. Bro, it was gonna be so fire. And boom, SD card trash. Don't ever buy a SD card from Walmart, ever, bro. Don't ever do it in your life. Whatever you do not buy it. Anything from bro. Anything from that Walmart brand, bro, do not do it, bro. I'm sorry, don't do it. It is not worth your money at all, whatsoever. So just don't do it. But yeah, if y'all boys liking the POVs, I'm gonna be dropping some more vlogs, because I really want to drop vlogs, but I had to get something out for y'all boys. It's been way too long. But if you liking the POVs, man, just drop a comment. Let me know y'all want more POVs, or if you want vlogs and stuff like that, car meets, things of that nature. You know what I'm saying? Whatever y'all want to see, I'm here to provide it. So I do a little pull right here, chat. What do y'all think? That B58, B58 the world, man. That's what they say. B58 the world, man. That's what I think is really B58. Did I not close this junk? What the hell is open? Yo, this whole time, y'all boys, the door been open. When did I open my door? That's crazy. We about to fly out the whip. Y'all see that? The door open. Ain't that something else? The world, man. Yeah, like I was saying, I bought something for the car. I actually bought two things. One of them is already on, and I recorded to be able to edit the video to show y'all what I got, and bro, lost the footage, unfortunately. But next video I should be putting on something for the outside of the car, and then that following video we got something performance wise that made the car crazy. That's all I'm gonna say. All I'm gonna say is it made it crazy, and it made it way faster. Is all I'm at. That's the only hint y'all getting. So Stay tuned for the next 2 videos if y'all boys want to find out what that is. But I am getting back over here to my job, so I'm gonna have to catch y'all boys back in a second when we get the next drop off. Boys, back in the 40. This time we got 2 drop-offs. 2 drop-offs. We got some pizza to drop. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, this is crazy. I hope this video does good, bro, because I have not seen anybody doing freaking POV drives and I'm delivering pizza in a freaking 340, man. We're starting new things out here. If I see anybody else doing this, just know I created it, chat. We gotta hold our ground if we see anybody doing this. We holding our ground. Fastest pizza delivery in the United States. I'm pretty sure there's something in my trunk moving around and it's irking my nerves. I gotta figure out what that is. Fastest delivery in the United States, man. Watch this. Oh, there's a cop right there. That's funny. I was about to do a pull and get fried. Oh my God, bro. I was literally about to downshift and get fried. I was literally about to downshift and get sent to the heaven gates. That'd have been funny as shit if I just downshifted and got completely cooked. Hopefully it's not too windy. First ever pizza delivery in 500 horsepower B58. We're cutting times in half, chat. We're cutting times in half. Haha. Yo. The door's not open this time. I don't know. It was a ghost or something. But I don't know how my door. Oh, railroad. Let's slow down, slow down, slow down. Oh, we gotta slow down for that one. We ain't lowered, but nah, we can't hit the railroad, twin. Nah, love pull before we get there. Woo! Fastest pizza delivery in the nation. I need brakes, and this is why. Every video y'all see, I might complain about my brakes until I get brakes. My brakes are high-key shot. I'm gonna be 1,000 watt with you guys. Like high-key fried. Are we right here? No, we not right here. We down more. Nah, Chad, this is crazy. Where am I even going? We're here? Where's it at? Where's it at, Chad? Where they crib at, Chad? What the heliante? I think it's straight up here. Can't really tell. One of these. I think I might have passed it. Well, chat. We gotta find where this is at. Drop us off. Got. Acha, boys. Let's see. First ever 340 ever delivering pizza, bro. Y'all never seen this before. Y'all literally never witnessed this in y'all lives. Oh, never. I don't even know how that happened. But it's not my problem. So, hold on, boys. I'm gonna catch on when I deliver this. Your boy's back after dropping that off. This might be the last delivery we run for this POV because it's getting dark and I don't have my night settings on, and your boy got to lock in at work, so hopefully y'all boys enjoyed this video. I'm about to do this last drop off. And yeah, I love y'all boys, man. Look at the sunset, man. Look at the sunset, man. Beautiful. Hopefully y'all boys enjoyed the video, man. I had to get something out there for y'all boys. And yeah, next couple of videos should be fire. We got 2 mods installed on the 40, bro. Who y'all know? Look, I ain't rich, but who y'all know doing all these mods in this short amount of time, bro? Y'all gotta just tap in. I got great content for y'all boys, man. I hope y'all boys enjoying it. There's plenty more to come. Plenty more to come, man. I have no idea where their house is. My eyes are not too good. Alright, y'all boys, I'm gonna go in here and drop this off, and I'm gonna get back to y'all immediately. And we're gonna do a couple pulls, and then I'm gonna get up out of here, man. Be right back. Alright, y'all boys, we're back after that order. We're about to get back and end it off there. Hopefully y'all boys enjoyed the video. Wasn't too long of a video. Had to get something out for you guys. But yeah. That guy is absolutely floating. What the heck was even that? Was he running from a cop or something? Yeah, bro was just I don't know if y'all could pick that up on camera, but bro was just completely floating down the street, bro. Completely floating down the street just now. Bro had his turning signal and didn't even turn. What was that about? Is the railroad up here or what? I don't remember. I have terrible memory. But yeah, like I was saying, hopefully you guys enjoyed the vid. Know what I'm saying? Had to drop a little banger for you guys. Delivering pizza. Yo, I might be the first person to drop a POV while at work. Just to show how dedicated your boy is. What that noise is, but it's low-key pissing me off. But yeah, man, hopefully y'all boys enjoyed the vid. Probably gonna go ahead and wrap it up soon. I'm gonna catch y'all boys. Hopefully y'all stay tuned for the next couple of vids. Make sure you drop a subscribe, man. Come on. If y'all clicking on the video, man, you might as well just subscribe. Like, what's the point of clicking on the video if you're just gonna click off, bro? Like, you know what I'm saying? You might as well just subscribe to the video. What the hell? Yeah, almost got flattened. I didn't even see him. But yeah, hopefully y'all boys enjoyed it. I'm gonna go ahead and catch y'all boys in the next one. You know what I'm saying? First ever. Nah, I'm trolling. But yeah, hopefully y'all boys liked the video. Make sure you drop a comment. Let me know some feedback. Make sure you sub and stay tuned for more. I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the next one. Peace out. Rory out, man.